Let's explore the fundamental aspects of organizational security controls and accounting measures. At its core, security management focuses on several critical objectives. The primary goal is to prevent conflicts of interest while simultaneously reducing unauthorized access and fraud risks. From a security and compliance perspective, organizations need to identify and address control failures. These failures typically manifest as security breaches, information theft, and circumvention of security controls. The concept of accounting plays a vital role in this context. Accounting, in IT security terms, refers to the ability to trace specific actions back to particular entities. In practice, this is typically implemented through logging systems. These systems effectively prove who or what performed an action, on which resource and at what time. Additionally, logging serves multiple purposes. It enables subsequent auditing, ensures compliance with regulations and company policies, and provides valuable reference information for future analysis. Moving to access control mechanisms, there are several distinct approaches. The two primary categories are mandatory and discretionary access control, though other variants exist. Particularly noteworthy is the Mandatory Access Control (MAC) system, which finds extensive application in government and military contexts. In this framework, the system operates with two key components: subjects, which refer to users or entities, and objects, which represent resources. What sets MAC apart is its use of sensitivity labels, which are assigned to each object in the system. Let's continue exploring the hierarchical structure of sensitivity classifications and clearance levels in mandatory access control systems. The classification system operates through clearly defined sensitivity levels. These levels typically range from unclassified at the lowest level, progressing through sensitive but unclassified, confidential, secret, and ultimately to top secret. This hierarchical structure forms the foundation of information access management. When it comes to subjects, whether they are individuals, processes, or systems, each receives a specific clearance level. Significantly, the process of granting clearances involves rigorous security investigations. This comprehensive evaluation determines the appropriate clearance level to be granted, ranging from public trust to secret or top secret classifications. The integrity of this system relies on its strict hierarchical enforcement. For instance, when a subject holds a secret clearance, they can access information classified at the secret level or below. However, this clearance does not permit access to top secret information. Similarly, individuals with public trust clearance can only access sensitive but unclassified information, with no ability to view secret-level data. What makes this system particularly robust is its resistance to manipulation. The extensive and thorough nature of the clearance process prevents arbitrary modifications to access levels. This means that attempts to circumvent the system through informal means, such as bribery, are effectively blocked. The lengthy, comprehensive, and highly regulated nature of the clearance process ensures that clearance levels cannot be casually or improperly modified.